Hello. I'm out here in nature at the park, getting some fresh air and some sunlight. I feel at ease when I'm out here connected with the elements of air, fire, water, and earth. Just seeing the trees and the greenery brings me peace and harmony. Just sitting here writing my notes, getting my thoughts together, raises up my Sakim, my vibrations. So, if one is not grounded, you want to get back in tune with nature, get outside and connect with all the earthly elements to get your root chakra balanced.